So Doogee will be launching the DK10 very soon. This is a new 5G rugged phone and it is expected to be the first in a new 5G rugged phone series called the DK series probably, but I don't really know, it's just based on speculation. Anyway, this is an upcoming 5G rugged phone that pack really nice specs and features, and the device is expected to launch on the 17th of March. Anyway, in this video we'll explore the little features that are revealed about this device, the little specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's quickly get to 12,000 subscribers, guys. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the device will be offered in black and green colorways. At the back of the phone is a circular camera module that contains quad camera lenses, an LED flash, and dual IR emitters. And according to the specs, the device has a 6.67-inch 2K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the display would likely be protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. The device would ship with a 120-watt fast charger, and according to speculations, the device is expected to pack a moderate 5150 mAh battery. It's not been confirmed yet, okay, so please take it with a pinch of salt. I expect the device to have a bigger battery capacity. Anyway, I love the fact that it's going to support 120 watts fast charging. That has been confirmed. The device will ship with a 120 watts fast charger. So in the camera department, like I mentioned earlier, the device features a quad rear camera setup, and the main camera is said to be a 50MP camera. The device will also feature a 24MP night vision camera. Now the remaining two camera lenses has not been disclosed, so we just have to wait until they are revealed. The front facing camera that is housed in the device's punch hole is a 50MP camera, and it is perfect for selfies and video calls. So this device will be powered by the Dimensity 8020 5G processor, and according to the details, the device would have up to 32GB RAM, which means the device would support virtual RAM expansion. I'm expecting the original RAM to be either 12GB or 16GB, but it's likely going to be 12GB. And the internal storage is 512GB. So other features of this phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, 5G connectivity, dual SIM. It is rated IP68 and IP69k. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. So these are the few details of the Doogee DK10 for now. There'll be more details about the device in the coming weeks. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this upcoming phone from Doogee? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.